So, Justin, man, what have you got yourself into today, bro?
I have no idea.
Yeah, well, you got your harness on. You even got an altimeter. Got a guy named Peter on your back. I think you might be skydiving, bro.
Sounds good to me.
It sounds good, huh? This is what you paid for, huh?
Oh, yeah.
All right, man. You ready for this then?
Oh, yeah, definitely.
You nervous at all?
Not at all.
Not at all.
Not at all.
All right, man. I just met you. You're gonna lie to me already. Not even a little bit, bro?
Nope, not even.
All right. Wait till we get to the door, man. You might be a little change your mind a little bit there.
Grabbing something.
There you go. Just remember, hands on the harness, buddy. Hands on the harness.
Got it.
All right, man. So what do you think about Peter? That's the guy on your back. Trust him?
So far, yeah.
Yeah, you really don't got much of a choice, man.
Yeah. He's strapped on. I got another guy strapped to the back.
Yeah. How good can you feel about that?
Yeah, right?
Don't worry though. It's safe and secure, man. You'll need him. You'll need him. All right, buddy. Who'd you come out here with?
Girlfriend and her family.
Girlfriend and the family.
It's her birthday. So.
Okay, so that's the occasion?
Yeah.
All right.
I've always wanted to.
No better way to celebrate than with the skydive. That's for sure.
Exactly.
All right, let's go have fun. We'll see you on that plane, bro.
All right. Thanks a lot.
All right.
Uh-oh, there he goes.
How was that, Justin?
Awesome.
Yeah, would you do it again?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Definitely.
Yeah.
All right, get over here with Peter. Thank you for saving your life. Look over here, guys. All right. Hey, man, Justin, it's official. You, your girlfriend, all her family, you guys are nuts. Welcome to the Sky, Chicagoland Skydiving Center, Rochelle. Thank you, buddy.
You better?